What if the secret to aging gracefully isn't written in your DNA, but hiding in your gut? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brenda Watson. Today we're talking about one of the most surprising and honestly exciting areas of longevity research, your gut. From probiotics and prebiotics to gut-friendly diets, there's a lot of buzz about the microbiome. But let's cut through the noise. What does the science actually say about how your gut affects the way you age? Here's what we know. Your gut is home to trillions of microbes that help digest food, support your immune system, and even influence brain health. But here's the kicker. In our early 50s, studies show that bifidobacteria, one of the most important and beneficial bacteria in the colon, starts to decline, and this creates imbalance. Microbial diversity also tends to drop, especially in people with chronic illness, poor diet, or frailty. And that imbalance fuels chronic low-grade inflammation called inflammaging. Inflammaging is linked to diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart issues. On top of that, common meds like ibuprofen or heartburn drugs can make things worse by damaging the gut lining and reducing beneficial bacteria. That means less nutrient absorption and more inflammation. And as we get older, gut motility slows and stomach acid drops, making digestion and microbial balance even trickier. But here's the good news. Keeping your gut healthy as you age helps you absorb nutrients better, protect your gut lining, and make anti-inflammatory compounds like butyrate. And when scientists look at centenarians, people who make it past 100 in good health, they almost always have more of the good gut bugs. What do they all have in common? Fiber-rich diets, plenty of plant foods, and a diverse microbiome that keeps inflammation in check. In fact, researchers are starting to see gut health not just as a marker of healthy aging, but maybe even as a tool to slow aging down. Can you imagine that? I don't know anyone who wouldn't want to hit pause on the aging clock. One study really stood out. Scientists did a fecal transplant from young mice into older mice, and guess what happened? The older mice showed better brain function and stronger immune responses. In other words, the younger gut microbes actually made the older mice act younger. How wild is that? Now, don't worry, you don't need a transplant. The real power is in your daily habits. So here are 5 gut-supporting steps you can start doing today to build a thriving gut microbiome and set yourself up for healthier aging. 1. Feed your microbial rainforest. Think of your gut as a rainforest. It needs the right fuel to stay diverse and thriving. That means a high-fiber, high-protein, low-sugar diet. Aim for 35 grams of fiber a day from vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and seeds. Your microbes turn that fiber into butyrate, an anti-inflammatory compound that protects your gut lining, steadies blood sugar, and helps you age more gracefully. Pair it with quality protein. We actually need more after 65 to preserve muscle and cut the sugar. Sugar cravings get stronger as we age, but sugar feeds the wrong microbes, drives inflammation, and accelerates aging. 2. Protect your gut barrier. Your gut lining is your defense wall. When it leaks, toxins slip into the bloodstream and fuel chronic inflammation. You can strengthen it with whole foods, probiotics, and nutrients that protect the lining. One of my favorites? L-glutamine. Make it a daily habit. 5 to 6 grams on an empty stomach every morning, unless you're eating a lot of cabbage, which is naturally rich in it. 3. Keep things moving. Constipation is a national epidemic, especially as we age. Medications, dehydration, and slower motility are all culprits. When waste lingers, toxins recirculate. Stay hydrated and eat plenty of fiber with bulk to keep things moving. Magnesium, hydroxide or citrate, can also help. And if you need a short reset, a gentle herbal blend can get things back on track. Think of this as a daily cleansing, not just occasional detox. Number 4, move your body for your gut and your muscles. Exercise is one of the most underrated gut supports. Walking after meals helps regulate blood sugar, while daily movement encourages your microbes to produce protective compounds like short-chain fatty acids. And don't forget, movement is also key for preserving muscle as you age. Whether it's walking, hiking, yoga, or stretching, the most important thing is to keep moving. Number 5, stress less, sleep more. Your gut and brain are in constant conversation. Chronic stress and poor sleep disrupt digestion, weaken the gut lining, and lower microbial diversity. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night, ideally at the same bedtime, and build in stress relief daily. Breath work, meditation, nature, or time with loved ones. A calm gut makes for a stronger, longer life. Turn these 5 tips into habits, and they'll add up. Small lifestyle shifts like these don't just help you live longer, they help you live better. A healthy gut doesn't just support a longer lifespan, it extends your health span. And that means more years of feeling sharp, strong, and full of energy. And that's really the goal, right? Not just more years, but better years. So if you're serious about aging well, start where it all begins, your gut. Feed your gut. Fuel your future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more science-backed wellness tips. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite gut healthy habit?